All right, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to be dealing on arithmetic progression. So what is an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a sequence in which, apart from the first term, other terms are got by the addition or subtraction of a common number. All right, so if we have 3, 5, 7, and 9. You notice that this is a sequence because the terms here or numbers here are separated by comma and they are arranged in ascending order. 5 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 5, and then 9 is greater than 7. The difference between 5 and 3 is 2. So we write here 2. The difference between 5 and 7 is also 2. And the difference between 7 and 9 is 2. So you can see that 2 is the common difference. 2 is the common difference here. And common difference is denoted by D, small letter D. It is equal to what here? The common difference here is 2. The common difference here is 2. All right, another way of getting the common difference is this. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Common difference is equal to T2 minus T1. Or common difference D is also equal to T3 minus what? T2. So it is simply the former, the present, minus the former. T2 here is 5. T1 is 3. So T2 minus T1 will give you 2. T3 here is 7. T2 is 5. So T3 minus T2 will also give you 2. You can also do T4 minus T3. It would also give you the same answer. 9 minus 7 will also give you 2. Alright, so let's substitute here. Let's use T3 minus T2. So D is equal to T3 from our question is what? Is 7. 7 minus T2 is 5. So D is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. So you can see that the common difference is equal to what? 2. Alright, take note of this. T1 in arithmetic progression is the first term, and the first term is also denoted by A. The first term in arithmetic progression is denoted by what? Small letter A. And also T2 is equal to, for you to get T2, you have to add the common difference to A. So we have A plus what? The common difference, which is D. All right, let's look at T3. For you to get T3, you also have to add another common difference to T2. So if you add another common difference to T2, you would have A plus what? 2D. All right, let's consider T4. T4 is equal to what? You still add another common difference. So you have here a plus what? A plus, if you add common difference to TD, if you add common difference to 2D, it will give you 3D. Now take note of this. The general formula for finding terms using arithmetic progression is what? T subscript n is equal to a plus n minus 1 and then multiply by d. So this is the general formula for finding terms using arithmetic progression. So where t subscript n is what? The nth term. Nth term. And then a is called what? A is called the first term. D is called what? Common difference. D is called common difference. And then finally, n is called what? N is called the position of term under consideration. So n is called the position of term under consideration. All right, so let's take an example so you would understand better. Example 1. All right, so this is the question. Find the 16th term of the arithmetic progression 2, 5, 8, 11, and it goes on and on. All right, so you can see that this is a sequence. And we are asked to find the 16th term. What we have here is only 4 terms. We have 2, 5, 8, and 11. We have only 4 terms here. And we are asked to find the 16th term of this arithmetic progression. All right, so solution. Our first task here is to write down the given parameters. We are given that a, which is the first term, is equal to, if you look at this, the first term here is 2. That's the first number, is 2. So a is equal to 2. All right, so what is n? N is equal to what? Remember that n is the number of term under consideration, or the position of term under consideration. In this question, we are asked to find the 16th term. So n becomes 16. N is equal to what? 16. All right. Alright, so let's find D. Remember that D is equal to T2 minus T1. D, which is the common difference, is equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. So T2 here is 5, which is the second term, and T1 is 2, which is the first term. T1 is A, or you can also use T1. It's either you choose A or T1. So D is equal to what? 5 minus 2. So therefore the common difference is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is the common difference. Alright, so since we have A, N, and D, let's now apply the formula. In arithmetic progression, T subscript N or U subscript N is equal to A plus N minus 1 and then multiply by what? D. So this is the formula for finding a term in arithmetic progression. Our next task here is to substitute into the formula. We have A, we have D, and we have N. T subscript N. So what is N? N is 16. T subscript 16 is equal to, the value of A is 2, and then plus the value of N is 16 minus 1, and then multiply by the value of D, which is the common difference, is 3. So T subscript 16 is equal to 2 plus 16 minus 1 is 15, and then multiply by 3. So T subscript 16 is equal to 2 plus what? 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to what? It is equal to 45. So therefore T subscript 16 is equal to 47. Alright, so this is the 16th term of the arithmetic progression. This is the 16th term of the arithmetic progression. Alright, we have come to the end of this class. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe now. Ensure you like this video and also share it to your friends. If you have a question, endeavor to leave your question in the comment section of this video. See you in our next class.